Hi everyone, hi viewers. Today we're going to start this video. It's raining here where I'm at. It's about 70 degrees. We're in a flood watch. So we're going to still be outdoors, but a little bit different scenery. We're going to go from the trails and the lake and the wildlife. Well, I shouldn't hence that out. We could find some wildlife to just outside yet my doors. So I like to welcome everyone just like you on my journey, and notice the beautiful flowers. Take in the rain and the sound as I record. Take in the wetness, the scenery as I record. Almost feel the dampness and the coolness. See the beauty just outside. I hear the birds. I hear the rain. Which this is good sleeping weather. Let's take a walk. A rain gauge right now. We'll see at the end of this, because I continue to dump it, some geraniums, welcome sign, the wonderful peaceful green grass, the tree that brings us much shade, to this little patio area. Today is Thursday, so I'm thankful for the trash and the servicemen that pick up trash and recycle. I'm grateful for landscaping and landscapers. I'm grateful for neighbors and what they bring to their area. I'm grateful for the fire hydrant. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And all the firemen out there, first responders, in case there were to be a fire. And I'm grateful for Mother Nature. And let's just take in some rain. For some of you may be in drought at this time, like we have many seasons. For others, you've been receiving a lot of rain and floodwaters, Mother Nature. Not so good, but out of our control, we must remember. More beautiful, beautiful trees. Listen to the sounds of the rain pelt down on the cement. Seeing and hearing the cars that'll drive by once in a while. The bird that just flew by. I would imagine the birds start to take shelter in the trees. And you can see the rain is coming down and running off. Or one could sit here under shelter or even in the rain and just take in the rain itself. Feel the coolness. Hear the relaxation. Hear the noise. For me, it's a good noise. All right, thanks, folks.